Trials will incorporate the largest number of volunteers and will be very important in terms of determining both the safety and the immunogenicity. And these data are absolutely crucial to allow decision-making on what dose level should go in the efficacy testing in Africa. These trials will all start in the coming 2 weeks, I would say, and we expect both for the chimp adenovirus as well as from the VSV vaccine to have initial results. Of course, these trials will continue for 6 months to a year, but to have initial results about safety and immunogenicity, to have a choice of a dose level by the end of this year, so in December. That's clearly the plan.
The trial of the drugs to be progressed, would they come before the vaccines or that?
There is still a possibility that will fail, but everybody is putting things in order for being able to move to West Africa in January. So this will most likely be in the form of efficacy trials, but in order to have a response as quickly as possible, these trials will need to be quite large and enroll quite quickly. For the record, these are the projections that were made by the company a few weeks ago, and since then there has been a re-evaluation of what would be possible if really all times were compressed, and I would suggest, because I wouldn't be able to speak on behalf of the company, of course, but you might want to ask this question to the company again. We are aware of the fact that some vaccines are also in development in Russia. And so we are in contact with the Russians to see when they could be available for testing in Africa, and what type of doses in terms of quantity could be available in the months to come. In March, there was absolutely no belief that a vaccine could be brought online in time to respond to something that people were still thinking would be a normal Ebola outbreak.